Yeah, we got some more snow. Shovel us out a couple of times already, but I got more snow. I gotta go over here and plow the snow out so I could get the truck in to get to work first. Get the truck in here and I can start working on the roof some more. So when we get to work, I'm getting this plowed out. Beef stroganoff with noodles today. Quick break from all the snow removal. Get a bite to eat before I go up on the roof. It's a little harder now that I gotta do snow removal before I can start building. You can probably see. I didn't even made any videos of this, but after I put the BCIs up, I went through and did all the blocking. You can see between each of the BCIs. I was needing to do all the blocking and then work on the eaves before I could sheet the roof. I got some plywood up there just temporarily right now, just so I could kind of have a roof over my tool area. But anyways, yeah, how to remove snow for the driveway. Well, that doesn't look like much, but that's still work I had to do before getting to work up on the roof, because I really want to get that roof on, because once I get that roof on, then I won't have to be showing the roof or inside the cabin. Ooh, it's boiling. Just pour it into here and get a hot meal. Hot water, stir it up, let it cook, and lunch will be served. I gotta hurry up and get a roof on this thing. They won't snow in here anymore. I could start putting some heat and do some interior framing. But after I get this roof on, I'm gonna have to start working on my commercial fishing boats. I'm building a new boat. I'll put down in the description down below. Back in 2018, I built my own boat for commercial fishing Bristol Bay. This winter, I'm building this lake house, and then I'm also building the commercial fishing boat for this next year. And it's going to be a 32 by 17 twin jet boat. It's going to have 1,200 horsepower with the Cummins diesel engines. There's one little video of it, just showing the design and the progress made on it right now, but I'll be working on that here pretty soon. Well, now I can get back to work. driveway's all cleared out. Good enough for now. Got the roof shoveled off. Down inside the house is mostly clear. And now I can continue working on the roof here. Well, I didn't get much done today. All I do is snow removal. I also went through and scraped all the snow and ice off of this plywood and on top of the BCIs. So when I cap the edges around the whole perimeter, I'll be good to go to start laying it down to sheathe the roof. This is the only thing I cut up today. They're 24 inches long, so when I come over the edge here, I'm going to stick them on the north and south ends of the building, so I get my 16-inch overhang on the two sides of the building. So I'll have an overhang all the way around. Well, didn't get much done today. Snow removal. I gotta get going. I'll see you guys in the next one.